Hello everyone, I Shubhra Chaturvedi welcome you to the maths class dealing with number system. Today our topic will be identifying number patterns. What does number pattern means? Number pattern means there is a series of number which is following a particular pattern. Alright, suppose I am taking one series like this 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and like this. So first I will observe that in this series how the numbers are going, that is whether they are increasing or they are decreasing. Now in this series I can see that numbers, as we are moving towards right, they are increasing. Alright, so when numbers are increasing in that series, either addition is there or multiplication is followed. Yes, then only number increases. So first I will see in this series that as we are adding 1 and 2, I am getting 3. Then when we are adding 2 and 3, I am getting 5. Then in this 5, when I am adding previous number, I am getting 8. Then when in this 8 I am adding 5, that is a previous number, I am getting 13. And if I am asking what will be the next number in the series, so can I see in this 13, if I am going to add previous number, that is 8, I will get 21. Similarly, after 21, if I will add 13 to 21, I will get 34, and like this series will go on. Another example, if I take, there is one series 20, 18, 14, 8 and so on. Alright, so in this series I can observe that numbers are decreasing as we are moving towards right. When numbers are decreasing, we can say that there is subtraction followed or division is there. So I'm going to see that what is happening in this series. I'm seeing that after 20 I'm getting 18. How can I get 18? If I'm going to subtract 2 from 20, I will get 18. Similarly, after 18 I am having 14. So can I see if I am going to subtract 4 from 18, I am getting 14. Similarly, after 14 I am having 8. Can I say that from 14, if I am going to subtract 6, I will get 8? So can I see the numbers which are subtracting from the previous number, they are increasing by 2. That is, in 2 I am adding 2, I am getting 4. In this 4, when I am adding 2, I am getting 6. Now if in this 6 I am going to add 2, I will have 8. That is, from this 8 what I need to subtract? 8. So which number will be there after this? 0. So these are the examples that I have taken. Now another topic is arrangement of numbers in elementary shapes. That is, we can represent our whole numbers in various shapes. Like I can arrange our whole numbers in the form of line or in a triangle, that are called triangular numbers. Then in the form of a square, those are called square numbers. And then in the form of rectangular, and those whole numbers are called rectangular numbers. First shape that I will take in a number pattern is line. Number pattern in a line. Now how we represent? We use dots for representing our whole number. Suppose if I am drawing one dot, that is representing our whole number 1. Then in a line, if I am drawing 2 dots, it is representing our whole number 2. Then in a line, if I am drawing 4 dots, this is representing our whole number 4. Like this, we can use any number of dots in a line to represent our whole number. Then another shape is a triangle, that is numbers which are having triangular pattern. So first triangle, first I have drawn one dot. Now to draw another triangle, what I need to draw 2 more dots below this. So I have drawn 2 more dots. I am having 3 dots total for another triangle. Then to draw another triangle, I need to draw 3 more dots below this, that is 1 more layer of 3 dots below this. So I am having 6 dots in total for another triangle. So in these, can I say that this is representing our whole number 1, this is representing our whole number 3, this is representing our whole number 6. So these are what? Triangular numbers. If I ask you another triangle after this, so I need to draw 1 more layer of 4 dots below this. So 1 more layer I have drawn of 4 dots. So which whole number it is representing? 10. Like this it goes on for making the triangle, and these are our triangular numbers. So if I say that these are a particular patterns and I have written this pattern number over here and number of dots used to draw that pattern, I can observe that in first pattern number of dots required is 1, then in second pattern number of dots required 3, then in third pattern number of dots 6, and so on. I can see that when I am adding 2 to 1 I am getting 3, that is 3 dots are required for second pattern. Then when I am adding 3 to 3 I am getting 6, that is 6 dots required for another pattern. Then if I am adding 4 to 6 I am getting 10, that is 10 dots are required for another pattern. Then I am adding 5 to it, I am getting 15. So I need 15 dots to write another whole number, that is 15, that is it is another triangular number. Now if I ask which is another triangular number, or can I say how many dots are required to draw another triangle after this, what I need to do after 5, what I am going to add 6 to what 15, what I will get 21 dots I need to draw another triangle, that is 21 is our another triangular number. And this series will go on like this, that is after 6 I will add 7 to 21 I will get 28 is our another triangular number. Then students, I will move on to another shape, elementary shape, that is our square. That is, everyone knows what a square is. In a square, number of I can say that each side is equal. Alright, so can I say that number of dots if I am drawing horizontally should be equals to number of dots that I am drawing vertically? Yes, so I will start with this. I have drawn 1 dot, so which number it is representing? 1. Can I write 1 into 1 will give 1 only? Okay. Then in our second pattern, to make another square, I need 4 dots, that is 2 horizontally and 2 vertically, like this, vertically and horizontally. So it is having 4 dots. How can I get 4? Whole number 4, that is our another square number. Yes. So it is what? 2 into 2 I am getting 4. To draw another square, I need to draw 3 dots like this, that is 3 columns and 3 rows. So how many dots are there? 9 dots are there. Which whole number it is representing? 9. So 9 is our another square number. How can we write 9? 3 into 3, that is 3 dots vertically, 3 horizontally, 3 dots in a row and 3 columns of dots, that is having 9. Then another I am having 4th square. Now how many rows it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows of dots and 4 columns of dots. So 16 it is representing our whole number. How can I have 16? 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So which pattern I can observe here? In pattern 1, how many dots are there? 1. In pattern 2, 4 dots. In pattern 3, 9 dots. In pattern 4, 16 dots. So it is representing our whole numbers, square of whole numbers. In fact, that is 1. This is a square of 2, that is 4. This is 9, another square number, it is a square of 3. And this is 16, another square number, and it is a square of 4. Which pattern and how we are increasing the dots? What pattern it is following? First 3 dots we are adding, then 5, then 7, then 9, and like this. If again I will add 11 dots, how many dots I will be needing? 36 dots I will be needing to draw another square, and therefore we are getting 36 as our another square number. And how can I get 36? 6 multiplied by 6, that is 6 rows of dots and 6 columns of dots, that is 6 into 6. 36 is our another square numbers, and this series will go on. This is what square numbers are. Now another is how we can have whole numbers in the form of rectangle, or in another way we can say are rectangular numbers. Alright, so first I will say, for example, I am having 8. This is our whole number. This can be arranged in the form of rectangle. How? I have taken 2 rows of dots and 4 columns like this. So 8. In 2 rows I am drawing 4 dots like this. Okay, 4 dots in 2 rows. So I am having 8 square number. It is 2 into 4, 8. This is a rectangular number 8. Then another rectangular number is 12. How we are arranging dots in this? In the form of 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 into 4, 12. Another I am having rectangular number as 15. How I am having 15? I am arranging my dots in the form of 3 rows and 5 columns. So 5 into 3 does 15. So these are our certain rectangular numbers, we can say. And this, we can have any number in the form of rectangle that can follow the pattern of rectangular shape. I hope this topic is clear to everyone. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you everyone.